It is going to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Now, the last time Orlando Pirates played against Stellenbosch, it was in the MTN 8 final. It was the last time we actually saw in Premiership football Abongile Tom. Where is he? Since that point, we don't know. I've seen him in the VAR at Kosafa, but he's never officiated any official Premiership game ever since that night, which tells you that whatever we were saying on that night was valid as it happened, as it unfolded as well. Shaya also that we never got to get any official confirmation. With other referees, they will tell you that they're suspended and so on and so forth. Abongile Tom is not necessarily suspended officially, but we haven't seen him in Premiership matches, Shaya, generally speaking, which should tell you all you need to know about South African football when it comes to the way that rules are applied, specifically for certain clubs and for certain officials as well. So, Stellenbosch are taking on Orlando Pirates again on Sunday. Now, Orlando Pirates have had a good run of form. They won their matches fair and square, very good at taking football as well. It's been lovely, actually, with Orlando Pirates, which is why there's no need for anything extra. Just let those players play, let them win validly, and they will be proud of themselves in the way that they apply themselves. They will play Stellenbosch at the Orlando Stadium. Now, we speak about Pirates in the context of the title race because Sundowns, before then, will play against Sekhukhune at 8 p.m. on Saturday as well. We'll talk about them as well also in the video. But we'll start with Junior, as always. Our analyst will start with Stellenbosch, Orlando Pirates. Stellenbosch played in Champions League, in Confederations Cup as well. On Wednesday, they lost 2-0. In the Champions League, Pirates on Tuesday, they won 2-1. Stellenbosch were in Mali, Orlando Pirates were in Algeria. Orlando Pirates come from a win in Africa. Stellenbosch come from a loss in Africa. Junior Khanye, our analyst as always, thank you very much for joining us, sir. Stellenbosch, Orlando Pirates. That's a grudge game from the side of Stellenbosch because they will remember what happened the last time they played against the Pirates. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nolindo Pep ubobo
Izinja madoda.
Ushane ngibulise obvious nalengwenye yethu ujustice
Yeah.
ebafethu kunjani keep on supporting iDiskiTV fighting now and try to fix South African football.
Ithi before siqale la ngibiza ingcozo. Bantwana bami. Wozani la. I haven't seen them on camera a long time. Come this side, guys. Say hello to the viewers. I haven't seen them in a very long time. I think the last time I saw them was when you were launching your book. They don't want to come on camera. Come on, guys. Just say hello to the people. Come. They don't want to come on camera. Say hello to the people. Hello.
Hello, everyone.
What's your name again?
Katlego.
And this is Junior Kanye's second last born.
It's a dead one, yeah.
Yeah, so this is the second last born.
Yeah.
There you go. Nice to see you again, Kaklo. I haven't seen you in a very long time. And there's your nephew, the daughter of your sister as well. Yeah. Say hello to the people. Hello, and what's your name?
Hello, my name is Tobile.
Tabile.
Yes.
How are you? Why are you so shy? You don't want to talk to people.
I Kanyak.
Okay, there you go. Nice to see you as well. Let's call the last one. The last time I saw them was when we were doing a book launch in Rosebank as well. This one, I thought is the older one because the older one, the last time I saw him, he was this size. So this is the second born. And he is now as tall as the older one. He's in grade 8 as well. Say hello to everyone and remind them of their name, of your name as well.
Hello everyone, my name is Lisidi.
You don't want to talk as well. Which team do you play for? Do you play for Junior Khanye Academy?
Yes.
Which position do you play?
Right wing.
Right winger. Just like your father?
Yes.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay, nice one. Nice to see you. He looks like the one who's older. It means that they're growing old as well. Nice to see them. Everyone is healthy as well. Let's talk Stellenbosch, Orlando Pirates. It's a grudge match for Stellenbosch. They have to be professional. They have to forget about what happened in the MTN 8 final. They lost in the Confed Cup 2-0 in Mali. They're coming back now to South Africa. Same with Orlando Pirates, that they're coming back from traveling, even though Orlando Pirates will be more confident as well. Let's talk about that game.
Yeah, a grudge game. It's not going to be easy for both teams. Number one, Pirates, their best attacking team currently.
Absolutely. Very exciting attack.
Yeah, attacking with players who understand the game very well. Tito Masangai, well developed as well. Always speaking about development. Really development. Sort of these players, I3. They're from development structure, Tito Masangai, Nkotha as well. So they are playing with wingers. Pirates, they won last. Very exciting to see Pirates build up a identity. The way Pirates should play. Though I feel ukuthi kusamele ba improve with certain aspects of the game, ngikhuluma nga midfield yabo, they need proper midfielders. Ngikhuluma if they can sandwich and then Adams from Stellenbosch in that central midfield.
Yeah.
I believe Pirates will be more dangerous balance as well. I wish they can find a proper striker that is dynamic, sort of umuntu njengo Khanye Erasmus up front. Yeah, I know for me Mabaso technically better than evident, but the obvious we create yaba separator. But I'm trying to evident because he's bullying the up front. Yeah, Pirates dangerous. They've got individual brilliancy. As a team going forward, nobody can stop them. But don't feel good to expect we game improve game management. They're playing against a very, very technically good team. Understanding from one another, understanding the strengths of one another. Well done to Steve Parker to take out the best out of those kids. Also, the way Steve Parker is surprisingly, after watching him all these years, and Steve, there's understanding between him and players, the identity, the philosophy of moving the ball around, attacking minded team. Though they consider, man. Yeah, well, nangala magame goal ayithube ngabona ama repeat ngiyabona ama goal wakhona silly I think ba consider and abekho convincing in terms of defending. Well done to Steven Shachina has improved uthole enene call up ku national team. Angeke kube is the coming Orlando. Usually ama team weza Orlando enye 27 mfethu. Yabo but I go with Stellenbosch this time. I need to be honest. It's not going to be easy. They've got speed. It defends all the Pirates and Zwelunda angeko baleki leadership. Ngifila ukuthi kule game le all the Pirates bayadlala away. Sasane did very well and Spisi raised their hands. Bengifuna babona central yabo. Also fullback yabo I think Otto did very well. Good bahlale. Tactically was spot on. Ama wing back Monyane as well did very well. Asanga libele hamba Otto because surprise abantu. Bano goalkeeper chain as well international who's an international collab we has in nowadays. Pirates have got the experienced team compared to Stellenbosch. But
So explain to us, why would you choose Stellenbosch then?
Yeah, which I just international players as well. It just got a collab now. I think
Pirates is a better team than Stellenbosch.
I can say it that way, but Pirates, if they find someone that is attacking them, that's a problem. If this team team epaki pass edlala mhlambe ngokuba nervous because bangacheka ne final kulewo if the rev was a difference there.
Yeah, obviously that was, we made that point clear.
And upeki game pound to pound Stellenbosch.
No, they were equal in that final.
Yeah. So balance.
Yeah, but what has happened though since that final, and this is why I don't like what happened in that final, is that Orlando Pirates have actually picked up to a point where they are currently the hottest team in the country.
Yeah.
Ngokuzenzela kwabo, like they are the hottest team in the country right now.
Akekho umuntu ongaba stop mfethu. But this is for me it's ayinguleko they coming. Yes, it's Goliath versus David, but ngizoba never. It's not a team that it's obvious kuleko. This team I surprised Sundowns to semi-final choice.
Oh yeah, that's a factor as well. Also, the last
We
time
need to be honest.
The last time Stellenbosch based Orlando, they came back from 2-0, they won 3-2. Inkinga yami ukuthi they had Abo van Wyk, Van Rooyen is now at Pirates. They had Abo Reynas at that time, who is now at Sundowns. So they keep on losing those quality players. And Abo Pans, Nabo Mujela is injured to Pans. He hasn't gelled yet with the team as well. But the last time he Stellenbosch, based Orlando, he scored 3 goals. And they came back from 2-0 behind. But I'm saying to you that Orlando Pirates is the hottest team in the country right now. I don't know if on any given day when they're playing currently on form, not in terms of quality, Sundowns has the better quality than all the teams in the country. But currently, Orlando Pirates is the hottest team. They can beat any team right now. They are favorites against any team on any game right now.
That's a big team of Bafana for me. I need to be honest.
Yeah.
Sundowns first team.
Yeah.
Big team of Bafana.
Absolutely. You're getting to see more Pirates players getting to Bafana.
You know what I'm excited of, which was a Rivero being I'm criticizer and a he's managed to take out of those players. Spanish and us is no different by Brazilians as well. Well done to the coach and technical team and those players too who responded to the coach. Lama player lawa, nobody can stop them. We need to be honest, but they are playing against a very good side.
Yeah.
About Titans, they've got speed in feature. Yes, though it's technique na that decision making. Technique sometimes letting him down, but you look at the middle. About Chapa,
Sihle Nduli, Jaden Adams,
the three midfield there.
Andre de Jong in front of them as well as a false number 9.
Yasiphola le yangapha. So I nkuleka ngeke kube easy.
I think maybe a draw.
Yes, there is a possible. Angisho ukuthi Stellenbosch they're going
Because
to.
I think Pirates is better than Stellenbosch currently.
Yeah, true.
They are better currently
Yeah,
than
true.
Stellenbosch.
But-
I don't discount the lose for either team, obviously, because
Yeah.
we don't know what will happen.
Yeah.
But I have this feeling that it's like when I stand up for Sundowns and don't think that they will never win, they will never lose in many games in South Africa. Maybe in Africa they will lose matches. Currently, that's my feeling about Pirates.
Yeah, I know.
That they are stronger than most team now, and they are now. Lento inconsistency besikhuluma ngayo kula season adlule. They are eliminating that now.
But the thing is, there's two players who Pirates by raise Sandra. We need to be honest.
Olunkota is also now adding his
Ngithi two
name.
mangisho yena, ngisho
It's
yena.
him, Maswanganye, and
Oh, three, I mean to
Umufukeng.
say.
Yeah.
Masonga out of this world.
Yeah.
Yeah, out of this world. Currently, I'm number 10 of Fana currently. And hey, kuzoba idebate nyazi ibhola it's a game of opinion.
For sure.
Hayi mara kwenye level.
All right.
Yala. So
We need to go to the Sundowns game. Let's wrap it up now with this one title race game. It's Orlando Pirates against Stellenbosch. Junior, can you your prediction again?
it's a draw of 1-1 or 2-2. Or I see Stellenbosch winning the game 2-1.
All right, Stellenbosch for you or a draw in that game.
Yeah.
All right, there you are. Now, we will find out tomorrow, Uguti, by the time we get to Sunday, will Sundowns be number 1 for the time being if they beat Sekhukhune? Now, Sundowns are really struggling in terms of style of play. They were very good against Kaizer Chiefs, one of the finest performances in modern era in the PSL, that they beat another big team, well, of course, in the building phase, whatever. But Sundowns were imperious in that game. Since then, they've not really looked convincing in terms of ball control and ball domination. They lost to Magesi in the final. And then, of course, they played against Madiema 0-0 midweek. It was unentertaining, unexciting. It was actually very boring. Will they come back against Sekhukhune? Sekhukhune also not doing really well. They lost their last game as well. Junior, your thoughts on that game? Maybe also with Sundowns. Currently, Manqoba is under pressure. The fans are unhappy as well. Do you think they'll turn the corner, or Manqoba does believe this go wide and cross the ball? Do you think it's going to change that?
Kuzoba ne-influence manje. Sundowns it's team like Al Ahly, legends of the game played a role at Sundowns. Aboteko, Katlego Mawuda, Bona, Butian Mabunda. The list goes on. Sundowns
Hlompho Kekana.
There's a pressure fana na Al Ahly. So the coach athanda kathandi, as much as he's a head coach, you need to listen. Sundowns bani quality, but the coach, we need to be honest. Pito, we were build a team. Rulani maintain it. And then Manqoba disjoint. I think it's Kazakh. So, but lose the identity. A coach, instead of him being a coordinator, being a coach, a guidance, a father figure, he want to be a boss. So whoever doesn't do ngendlela afuna ngayo ngaleso sikhathi is out. So irrespective with the guy who perform, maybe did very well during the game, when's mistake 1 or 2 is out. I don't understand why coach ibekela amaplayer lawo ubekile benchini during the week. But we enzile what Roy Kembe ngamelanga, especially at home. He's really under pressure, right? So akusana skat for him. So another stuff, those are national players. We don't have to forget that experienced players.
That's Bafana.
And I can tell you, if Alende beyangadlala leli gate bebazombiza mina la buya khona ku country yakhe, if Ribeiro eBrazil beyangabuyi kule country Brazil, we're going to call him maybe ku criminal squad or whatever. So going to the game, playing against Sekhukhune, CMI out here, but you need to face the reality. His team is not doing well. He's got all the players.
And Sundowns are also not doing well.
Yeah, CMA sengikhulumela nje bheka CMA, the team is inconsistent. Yabo, and
I don't like watching that team.
yeah, they've got
Because you never know which team is going to come out. It's Sekhukhune. I remember watching them Besha Royal AM a few weeks ago, 2-0 in a game. And then the next game they win. And then the next game they lose as well. They're too inconsistent. I don't like watching them.
I need to be honest. It's about consistency, and it's disappointing. We need to be honest. Same as Bola Mara. Now, let's face the reality. The team is not doing well. And yes, iyaliphasa ibhola kamnandi I see, but kunamama games, not onke.
Yeah, they choose which games to turn up.
And it's not a good thing. So going to this game, they're under pressure now, Siema, and the team because of the high-profile players that they brought there. So Sundowns, I think it's gonna bring the team late way Marcus Yonke. Maybe you can change one or two, one probably up front, but I see Sundowns winning the game. Yeah.
What do you think is their biggest problem in Sundowns? Yini inkinga yabo? Yini into abashayayo manje?
One, there's a technical director wants his players. Two, the coach tells iyabonakala manje iyabonakala ukuthi he doesn't believe in playing. Noma ngabe kayenza ku-Arrows and Sundowns, the profile of the team is not the same. There was no pressure in him. Now is coaching players that they've got individually high profile. So those players, they sometimes solve problem on the pitch. They don't need a coach, but they're not football control like it joystick. So it's very difficult. Those players, they understand one another. It doesn't believe ukuthi build up. Also, bebatla ngama department. U believe ukuthi touch mele kube goal. Akanankinga. So ama-player we-Sundowns from all these years lento ayicala ngizolo bakhula kanje egamini ngayo le nto leyo about 3-4 years babonke leya team. So yena ufuna ukushintsha leyo yonke le nenye into. The problem is Nkuleko, kunalento abathi match fitness. You can't prove a point. Yabo abo Savetra, it's unnecessary.
Salis.
It doesn't deserve to play for Sundowns. Why do you bring him at Sundowns? So the coach is proving a point. That's why Salis, maybe the technical director want him. Ngoba uManqoba mazelapi. Why keep on playing? Ngoba noma ngabe bengamazi bekumele improve ground in namdlalise sazi ukuthi why. And he gets selected, that guy on the bench uhlala khona. So it's him abo coach. The problem abila number one technical director. Secondly, the coach need to understand with Agasa coach Arrows. He's coaching Sundowns now. Third, those are national team players. We need to motivate after they lose. Yabo, any into Nkuleko stay consistent as much as they rotate a team, but you can't change your own team or half of the team. Change one or two, come as a sub, yeah, and then that team agreement stop. And any into sorry, he need to stick good into pizza buildile and Orlando mention. Finish.
All right, there you are. Again, your final score prediction is
I say win Sundowns, they came 1-0, yes.
1-0 Mamelodi Sundowns to Sekhukhune. There you are. WSB.co.za if you want to bet on these matches. Just remember as well, that's why I'm framing this in these two teams in the same video and framing it as a title race. Number one is Orlando Pirates. Number two is Mamelodi Sundowns. Every single time they play, every weekend, and we're excited about this actually, is that there's a possibility of a movement or staying there at number one and number two. There will be movement, or there could be movement tomorrow night after Sundowns beats Sekhukhune. If they do, there will be movement. That means Sundowns will have played one game and they will be equal on points with Sundowns, but they will have 1 point difference in terms of the goal difference. They will be leading on goal difference if they beat Sekhukhune. That means by the time Orlando Pirates plays Stellenbosch, they will then have that pressure psychologically of having to respond. You remember at the beginning of the season, it was Sundowns who had to respond. Now, Orlando Pirates will have to respond playing after Mamelodi Sundowns as well. That's going to be the shift. And then I think on Tuesday as well, Sundowns will be playing. Pirates will not be playing midweek. So with that additional game that Sundowns is playing on Tuesday, they may be then extending that lead as well, which will then place pressure back to Orlando Pirates, assuming that they win. Of course, they can always lose or draw, and movement may not be there by the end. So this is exciting times for us in South African football, that we are able to frame this fight between these two giants, Mamelodi Sundowns and, of course, Orlando Pirates, who is a way, way bigger club in terms of stature and history as well. Very big team, and they need to win the league. It's been 12 years since they last won the league in South Africa. It is iDiskiTV, this is Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.